Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I am going to share with you my swatches and review of the 3 new Pink Gellac touch up toppers. They're like special effects, glittery, flaky like top coats. They are no wipe, so you don't have to remove any residue or sticky layer after you've cured them for a full minute. So these are special effect toppers. You have to cure them in LED for a full minute. Pink Gellac is actually located in the Netherlands, which is pretty cool, so I definitely support my fellow Dutchies. And Pink Gellac is a brand that I have used for a really long time as well, at least like I'd say 2.5, 3 years or something like that. They have beautiful gel polishes, always very rich in opaqueness like formula and so on. But yeah, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my nail family here at YouTube. So as usual, I'm just going to swatch them really quick on some practice nails or like a nail wheel, and I'm going to apply these on top of 2 coats of beautiful black and cocoa white as well. So yeah, I'm just going to start off with doing a black and a white coat for each and every single topper that I'm going to share in this video, and just cure each layer for a full minute as well. So the black that I am using today is actually one with their older packaging, so it is the exact same brand, but the label looks a little different. And the white one is actually from a collection that they came out with earlier this year. That one definitely is a 1-coater, but just for the sake of opaqueness and just having a really good base for these glittery top coats, I'm just going to do 2 coats of each. So the first one I'm going to swatch is called the Touch Up Color Glam. This one is a full-on glittery top coat. So once again, these are gel polishes, so you definitely have to cure them in LED or UV. Just for the record, you know. But I am going to apply this, of course, on top of a black and a white. But let's first of all take a look at the beautiful close-up footage that I recorded for you guys. This is one of my favorite things to do whenever I'm going to do swatch and review videos. Just get some brush action and just some personal up and close looks to these beautiful polishes. I am pretty much obsessed with this one because, as you can see, it has a ton of different like sized and different color glitter, and I think it can add a little glam and just a little bit of like life to the party on your nails if you're going to apply this on whatever kind of base color, to be honest. There are a ton of different colors in here, so you can definitely mix and match it up with different colors. Not only does it look beautiful on top of a black, it looks really cute and festive on top of a white as well. So yeah, I actually feel like applying this on top of like a red or a gold or something like that, because there are so many different colors in this. You can match it with pretty much any color. And it just gives a little like extra special festive touch to the nail. So here's a little overview of both swatches on top of a black and a white. I do think I prefer these toppers on top of a black just because it makes the colors more like popping off of the nail, if you know what I mean. It's just a little bit more vibrant. But the second one is called Mysterious Green, and this one has to be cured for 60 seconds in LED as well. That pretty much goes for every single gel polish that Pink Gellac comes out with, but this one is not just a shimmery or glittery one. This one is a beautiful blue, green, goldish, flaky, which looks totally different on the nail if you apply it on top of a white base, but you will see that in a little bit. But let's just have a look at that color. Like, wow, all of these top coats are actually in a clear base, so it is all about just adding that finishing touch to your nail, as well as adding some beautiful shimmer, glitter, flakiness. You know the deal. You know how top coats work. But just look at how gorgeous that looks on top of a black. One thing I would like to add is, just because these are flakies, they can be kind of like stuck together, like the flakies and the particles and stuff. So you might want to work the flakies flat onto your nail a little bit with the brush. Of course, no worry, just make sure they're all flat before you go into your LED light to cure them fully for a full minute. But you can just play around with it, just place them wherever you want to. If it doesn't work out well with the brush that comes with the bottle, you can use like a little like toothpick or even a dotting tool or something to just place the little flaky parts wherever you want them on the nail. But here is the final look on top of a black and white. On top of a white, it kind of looks like unicorn skin, and I think it gives a very like cute effect, if you know what I mean. But definitely try it out on top of other colors as well. That is something that I will be doing myself in the near future, so keep an eye out for that if you're curious to see more about it. The final one from these 3 new toppers is actually called Supreme Gold. This one is just like the previous one, pretty much flaky and super shimmery. There's gold in there, there's orange like coppery, there's some pink and some purple shimmer going on in there as well. It is super gorgeous, especially if you take a look at this little up close and personal view. Just you can see how chunky and big some of the flaky particles are. So once again, make sure that everything is flat on top of the nail before you go in and cure it, because this is the final layer that you will use to cap in your entire gel manicure. So once again, it's a no wipe top coat. You don't have any sticky layers or anything you have to deal with after curing. I really love that, by the way. There are a lot of special effect toppers or like glittery toppers that do have like a top coat finish but still have that sticky or tacky layer. So if you have one like that, definitely make sure to remove it with some rubbing alcohol or like a gel cleaner or something like that. But these are totally done after you've cured them for a full minute, and I pretty much love this one particularly the most. I think it's so stunning, especially on black. It really pops. It kind of looks like fire or something like that, like fireworks even, but on a white it looks really frosty and cute and kind of snow-like. So yeah, I am pretty much picking that one as my favorite, but all 3, to be honest, are really cute, and I think there are a couple of other ones they came out with last year. I have done a swatch and review video on those as well, so definitely check out my channel if you want to see that one. There are 5 more if I remember correctly, some holographic ones as well, a pearly one, and yeah, those were pretty cool as well. But yeah, that was the entire swatch and review video already. All of these polishes contain 15 milliliters of gel polish and cost 15 euros a bottle. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and as usual, I love to see you in one of my next videos.